Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Salem location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job openings for supporting staff for the organization Periyar University. Job location is Salem, Tamil Nadu. Salary details not disclosed. Minimum 1 to 3 years of experience is required. Qualification is BSc. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. Last date to apply for the job role support staff is April 15, 2021. Interview process will be shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview. The date and time for interview will be informed to the candidates. To get to know more information about this job role, supporting staff, and to get to know detailed advertisement details and to apply for this job role, application process, everything will be available at the official website address of Periyar University provided here. The link is available in description below. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for Junior Research Fellow for the organization Periyar University. Job location is Salem, Tamil Nadu. Salary offered minimum 31,000 per month. Freshers are eligible for the job role and up to 4 years of experience will be considered as well. Qualification is MSc. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role and the last date to apply for the job role is April 15, 2021. Interview process will be shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview and the date and time for the interview will be informed to the candidates. To apply for the job role Junior Research Fellow and to get to know more detailed advertisement of the official notification, you can browse the official website address of Periyar University provided here. The link is available below in description as well. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for maths teacher for IGCSE curriculum for the organization The Indian Public School. Job location is Salem, Tamil Nadu. Salary offered minimum 40,000 to up to 50,000 a month. Minimum 5 years of experience in teaching 11th and 12th mathematics is required. Qualification if you see master's degree in mathematics is mandatory. Must have experience in CBSE or IGCSE curriculum. MPhil and PhD candidates can also apply for the job role. Lecturers, professors with experience of handling mathematics can also apply. Engineering graduates with strong mathematical skills can also apply for the job role. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. You can apply for the job role using the below email ID provided here, that is apply@tipsc.info. This is the email ID. You can share your resume if you feel your skill set is required suitable for the job role. You can share your resume. Next, there is a job openings for production assistant for the organization Paragon Polymers Products Private Limited. Job location is Salem, Tamil Nadu. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 12,000 a month. Minimum qualification is diploma in mechanical or electrical and electronics engineering or diploma in automobile engineering is required or diploma in production engineering or degree in arts and science group students to enhance their knowledge in their career also can apply. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role production assistant. To get to know more information and to apply for the job role production assistant, you can browse the official careers webpage of Paragon Polymer Products Private Limited provided here. The link is available below in description as well. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for HR executive position for the organization Paragon Polymer Products Private Limited. Job location is Salem, Tamil Nadu. Salary details not disclosed. Minimum 1 to 2 years of experience is required. Qualification details MBA HR, experience in time office functioning, admin, contract labor management, statutory handling, PF, ESI, and payroll knowledge is required. Recruitment and exit process. So you should have a knowledge of this as well. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role HR executive. And to apply for the job role and to get to know more information, you can browse the official careers webpage of Paragon Polymer Products Private Limited provided here. The link is available below in description as well. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for Tally coordinator for the organization Infotech Private Limited. Job location is Salem, Tamil Nadu. Salary will be based on experience will be offered. Experience minimum 2 years of experience in Tally is required. Qualification, if you see any graduates, knowledge of Tally ERP9 is required. Accounting background is preferred. Only female candidates are eligible for the job role Tally coordinator. And to apply for the job role, you can browse the official careers webpage of NS Infotech Private Limited provided here. The link is available below in description as well. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for Sales Executive Agriculture for the organization Snap Natural and Alginate Products Limited. Job location is Salem, Tamil Nadu. Salary details not disclosed. Minimum 2 years of experience in agriculture inputs, marketing and sales promotion in Tamil Nadu is required. Minimum qualification degree in agriculture or horticulture. Experience building dealer or distribution networks. Fluent in Tamil and English languages. Additional language is a big plus. Willingness to travel extensively in Tamil Nadu with base in Salem or Erode. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role Sales Executive Agriculture. You can share your resume at the provided email ID to get to know more information and further process. The email ID is careers@snapalginate.com. Next, there is a job openings for media buyer for the organization Kudometrics Technologies Private Limited. Job location is Salem, Tamil Nadu. Salary details not disclosed. Minimum 2 to 3 years of paid marketing experience is required. Qualification and skill set required. If you see, you should be able to manage paid campaigns across Google, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok and LinkedIn accounts, and should have a Google and Facebook skill set that is mandatory. Basics of e-commerce knowledge is mandatory. Good knowledge in sales funnel is required. You should be able to track metrics, goals, revenue and other paid initiatives. You should be able to stay up to date with the paid marketing trends. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role media buyer. And to apply for the job role, you can browse official careers webpage of Kudometrics Technologies Private Limited provided here. The link is available below in description as well. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for Service Delivery Officer, Branch Banking or Branch Banking for Kotak Mahindra Bank. Job location is Salem, Tamil Nadu. Job role and job requirements, if you see, you should be able to handle personalized service requests of customers. You should be able to generate a timely business MIS. You should make sure like strict adherence to compliance, audit and regulatory requirements for customer segment. You should be able to coordinate with CPC, RPC, investment desks for account opening of customers. You should be able to manage complaints of customers and ensure their resolution within TAT. And job requirements, if you see, should be able to develop and maintain banking relationships with a select group of high net worth customers. You should have excellent communication skills with customer service orientation. Courteous and polite skill set is required. You should have a good knowledge of Microsoft Excel. You should have a good understanding of banking norms and process. To apply for the job role, Service Delivery Officer, Branch Banking, you can browse the official careers webpage of Kotak Mahindra Bank provided here. The link is available below in description as well. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for Gold Loan Relationship Officer, Loans Against Gold, Marketing Branches Operations is required for organization Kotak Mahindra Bank. Job location is Salem, Tamil Nadu. Job role is you should ensure gold loans targets of the branch are met month on month. You should be able to ready to move in a market and generate gold loan leads. You should be able to smooth process of gold loan is done at the branch. You should make sure they maintain good relationships at branch level, BM or BOM, RO, RM, RO and service staff as well. You should have always be market and competition savvy. 100% maintaining compliance of processing gold loan is required. You should be able to maintain gold loan registers at branch level. Graduation is mandatory. Good communication skills are required. You should have a good convincing skill set. To apply for the job role, Gold Loan Relationship Officer, Loans Against Gold, Marketing Branches Operation. This job role, you can browse the official careers webpage of Kotak Mahindra Banks provided here. The link is available below in description as well. You can check with that. That's it in this video, guys. We will be coming up with more updated job openings for Salem location as early as possible. We will upload a new upcoming job openings. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage us to do more videos for Salem location. If you have any questions or queries or suggestions, please let us know below in comments. We will try to work out on that and we will try to help you more. And if you have any questions on the job requirements provided here, you can let us know below in comments. We will replying for that. We will check each and every comment as well. Thank you so much for your love and support, guys. Please keep support as same as you are supporting now, and share our channel with your friends and family members who are in need of job. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.